Hello, Teacher Tim. I want to show you the Rubik's Cube color. First, this is white. The opposite of white is yellow. Around here is orange, blue, red, and green. Step 1. You need to finish the white layer. First, you need to know how to sort. If it's not the same red, you need to find the red piece. Next is same, but here has no, so you need to go here and find the color is correct, like this. And here is last piece you need to find. Color is all white. Then the first layer is finished, like green, orange, blue, and red. First, you need to look the white, blue one. Where is it? Oh, it's here. So let's turn it to here. And then right side up, tap to the left, and right side down, and then left. No, it's here. So let's do it again. Right side up, right side up, tap to the left, right side down, and then left. No, he's here. Let's do it again. Right side up, tap to the left, right side down, and then left. No, he's here. So let's do it again. Right side up, tap to the left, right side down, and then left. No, let's do it again. Right side up, tap to the left, right side down, and then left. Is white, and blue. Let's go to the next one. Let's find white and red. Oh, it's here. Let's go to, okay. Right side up, turn left, right side down, and then left. And it's white, and red. Let's go to the last one. Is white, green. Is here. So let's do it. Right side up, turn left, right side down, and then left. First layer is finished. We finished the first layer. Now we will do up layer. We need to find the blue and red. It's here. Let's see. Correct. Blue, red, yellow. Green, blue, red. Orange is incorrect. Green, orange, red, yellow, green is incorrect. And this side. Orange, blue, orange, green, yellow is incorrect. So now it's perfect. So one correct is good. So let's do the rule. Make sure the blue, red, yellow is in the right spot. Right hand is on your right side. Let's do the rule. Left, tap to the left. Right side up. Tap to the right. Left side up. Tap to the left. Right side down. Tap to the right. And right side down. Check the color is right. This is correct. This is incorrect. So we have to do again. Let's see again. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. And this is correct. Is 4 correct. That is perfect. Now we are doing the last part of the Rubik's Cube. Let's do it. Turn upside down. And then let's do the first Rubik's Cube rule. Let's do it. Oh, no. Let's go to the next side because this is already correct. Let's do the rule. Let's see. Is correct. Not correct. Not correct. Let's do it again. Not correct. Let's do it again. Not correct. Let's do it again. Not correct. It's correct. Now we are doing the last part. Don't do this. Turn the bottom one. Let's do the rule. Not correct. Let's do it again. Is correct. Teacher Tim, I like your video. Do you like my video?